Don't you see? The older we get, the more bitter the coffee.
No, it's not that, bro. It's just because you always order espresso to sound fancy.
I thought drinking it like that makes you look like a real adult.
Real adults are the ones who finish their drink and still have to ask for the Wi-Fi password.
Yeah, adults, but still no 4G here.
Do you remember when we were kids? We wished to grow up fast.
Yeah, so at 18 we wouldn't have to take naps.
Now, at 25, taking a nap feels like going into a coma.
As kids, we were forced to nap. Now, if we don't, our body submits a resignation right away.
Life really trolls us hard.
As kids, we wished for lots of money.
Do you have it now, bro?
Not yet, but I have lots of bills for sure.
I discovered adults aren't afraid of ghosts anymore,
Yeah,
but they're afraid of bank messages.
and the scariest is the call. Hey sis, can I borrow some money?
The older we get, the fewer friends we have, bro.
Not fewer, just natural filtering.
Like bubble tea with full toppings, in the end, only the pearls remain.
But they're high-quality pearls.
Back then, when sad, we'd cry.
Now, when sad, we open the fridge.
Even if there's nothing to eat, we still open it.
Open it for hope.
Adults often say, whatever,
That's the highest level of maturity.
higher than trying hard.
Because trying hard is tiring. Whatever keeps you healthy.
As kids, we wished for weekends to go out.
Now on weekends, we just want to sleep.
Going out now is extracurricular activity.
While sleeping is survival activity.
The older we get, the more we understand. Live simply to stay healthy, right?
I understand.
But can't do it.
Because salary doesn't allow simplicity.
People say money can't buy happiness.
But without money to buy bubble tea, it's really sad.
Life is like coffee.
Bitter?
No, if it's bitter, add sugar.
Where's the sugar?
It's those little moments that make us smile.
Like sitting here complaining.
Complaining but fun.
Complaining without getting salary deducted.
Adults are great at pretending to be okay.
Super great.
Tsunami inside, but outside, haha, I'm fine.
Like weak Wi-Fi, but the icon shows full bars.
But I still like being an adult.
Why so?
Because we understand ourselves better.
And understand that sleeping early is more precious than drama.
And cherish coffee sessions like this.
No rush, no deadline, no one calling, hey sis.
Just too old before their time.
But souls still tender.
In summary, what is adult life, bro?
Both tiring and trying to smile.
I see it as both worrying and hoping.
Combined, it becomes very human.
Anyway, we have to keep living.
Yeah, keep living, so on weekends we can have coffee and complain.
And laugh.
Laugh to forget the electricity bill.
Do you see weekends pass faster than salary arrives?
Faster than the boss saying urgent deadline.
Monday isn't a day. It's a weekly psychological shock.
Going to work is like playing a survival game.
But no respawn button.
Only salary respawn, a bit low.
Every morning I promise to work hard.
Yeah,
10 minutes later, scrolling TikTok.
that's called mental warm-up.
Work teaches me many things.
For example,
Knowing how to smile when not happy.
and nodding when understanding nothing.
Hate it most when boss says, "This task is simple."
Translation, 3 times more complicated.
I like it most. Help me with this, okay?
Meaning, do it all, okay?
After working long, I understand why adults drink coffee a lot.
Not because they like it.
But to survive.
Before working, everyone has many dreams.
After working, only one wish left.
Don't go negative at month end.
I once thought doing what I love is happiness.
What about now?
Now I love quitting.
The office is weird.
Why weird?
Everyone says busy but still gossips.
Remember, others' stories better than deadlines.
Sending emails very politely.
But inside screaming.
Please reply, oh God,
Working is the art of emotion control.
Smiling through tears.
Hate it most. Come on. The company is family.
Family that pays by the hour.
Family that asks for KPI at month end.
But work also gives many things.
Like stress?
And money.
Little but precious. Thanks to work, I value sleep.
And hate the alarm clock.
Some days turn off the alarm in dreams.
Then sleep for real outside.
Commuting far teaches special skills.
What?
Dozing off with eyes open.
After each job, we mature more.
Yeah.
Mature how?
Talk less, think more.
And sigh a lot.
But I'm still grateful for work.
Why so?
It makes me independent.
And understand money isn't easy to earn.
Thanks to work, we have stories to tell at coffee shops.
Otherwise, we'd sit silently staring while drinking.
In summary, what is working, bro?
Tiring but dare not quit.
Complain but still try.
Every morning curse, inwardly.
But still grab the bag and go.
On weekends sitting here.
Drinking coffee.
Complaining. Then have motivation to keep living.
Do you see love as adults is harder than back in school?
Harder than college entrance exam.
Back then, liking someone just meant stealing glances.
Now liking someone, have to check if financially stable.
And sleeps early or not.
Night owls often overthink.
Yeah, think randomly.
Adult love, no longer I like you.
But, do you have time for me?
As kids, when angry, post status.
Now, when angry, silence.
Silence hurts more than words.
Adults are good at enduring.
Smile when sad.
Text it's okay when heart is collapsing.
The older, the more afraid to start new relationships.
Afraid of tiredness.
Afraid of hurt.
Afraid of having to learn to forget.
But still want someone by side.
Humans are so contradictory.
Back then, love needed care.
Now needs understanding.
And respect personal space.
But still want daily texts.
Adult love is both independent.
And afraid of loneliness.
Ever liked someone but didn't dare say?
That's right.
Why not say?
Afraid to lose friendship.
Adults often choose safe silence.
Instead of risking happiness.
But unspoken emotions
Stay there forever.
wish love was simple like childhood.
One candy and forgive.
Now needs sincerity.
And patience.
Loving the right person won't be tiring.
But meeting the right one is tiring first.
Social media makes feelings more complicated.
Too many comparisons.
One like and think all night.
But though hard,
We still want to love.
because having someone who cares,
Life softens. Someone asks, how was your day?
all fatigue lightens,
Adult love isn't noisy.
but deep.
No need for many promises.
Just need to stay.
Stay when sad.
When tired,
When nothing's fun.
if to choose,
I'd choose peaceful love.
no drama.
No hurt.
Just drinking coffee together on weekends.
Complaining about life.
Then laugh.
Do you think we can love like that?
If we meet the right person,
Hope to meet soon.